The Rokupr Agricultural Research Center in Cambia District was established in 1934. The center has a fine blend of diverse ecologies that are not limited to inland valley swamps, the mangrove swamps, the riverine grassland and upland, with the vision to train professionals in rice production. The center is well seated on 108 acres space. In addition to its outstations in Bomsamba, Bo, Blama, and its Ogu Farm station, which has been lost to human encroachment. Rokupr Agricultural Research Center has amongst its key mandates to develop appropriate technologies that are suitable on the cereal value chains.
At the center level, we carry out a lot of researching activities. The main aim is actually to develop appropriate technologies that are suitable for our farming conditions on the cereal value chain, the cereal crops. That's rice, maize, sorghum, the palm millet, and other digitarians. So we do not just stop at developing appropriate technologies. We also ensure that we empower the smallholder farmers and ensure that whatever they do in their farming activities yield dividend.
To ensure an efficient and effective operations of the center's work, several units were established for smooth research outcomes, amongst which is the administrative wing, the crop improvement program which hosts the breeding program for the center, socio-economic policy research and outreach programs, and gender unit, the extension, post-harvest engineering and nutrition, soil, crop, animal, and natural resource management. The center sits integral in providing the necessary solutions for farmers across the country. Evidentially, the center is known for the Rock series. In addition to its numerous efforts to release more Nerika rice varieties and several others on maize, sorghum, and as well as other climate-smart farming approaches, the engineering units of the center has been vital in providing solutions to the constraints of smallholder farmers in the rice value chains.
As we have developed some local tools, machines to help our farmers and at the same time to carry out our research activities. One of the equipment we developed is the rotary weeder, which they are presently using to control weeds. Because weed control is a very big challenge for farmers, especially this hand weeding. So we develop manual weeding machines which they can use to control weed and also save time during weed operation. Then apart from the weed control machine we have developed, we have also developed several other equipments like the rice thresher, because we know post-harvest loss is a huge challenge also across the farming population. They usually lose most of their grains due to poor threshing methods. So we develop a rice thresher as well as a center. Then the other equipment we develop is a rice parboiler, because we want to improve the quality of our parboiled rice. It's very significant because if we are able to develop our own local tools locally, that will help even the government to reduce the cost of importing most of these machines. That is why we are undertaking most of these activities to see how best we can develop our local tools, which our farmers can able to afford, because they are cost effective and also they are gender friendly. As you can see now, female can use the rotary weeder conveniently.
The aggressive and continuous use of the soil has made it very clear that there is a need for replenishment of the soil. This is done through the collection of samples and analysis.
We collect samples from other institutions, likewise from the communities. We do analysis for both soil and plant materials, as well as fertilizers. Because you can't imagine, even fertilizers that are coming to this country, some are not having the active ingredients in them. So we'll be applying them. We say these fertilizers have, say for instance, phosphorus, which is lacking in most fertilizers. And even the soils within Sierra Leone